Hi guys, J Test ASMR here. Back with just a chewing gum ramble. Although I haven't really got a lot to say. I hope your Halloween was good. I hope all your children got, quite a lot of candy. I went out with Carol ASMR's little boy and his friend. We went trick-or-treating. Basically, they went to knock on the doors. We just stood back and watched. And I was quite surprised at the amount of candy they got. Because obviously, everyone's just just recovering from the pandemic, right? And it wasn't around where I live, it was further into London. So I suppose really, when you're in the London area, maybe, but I was just surprised with the amount of candy he got. I'm not complaining. I mean, certainly he wasn't complaining. But it's good. But around my area, I'm somewhat disappointed to see what's been happening. There has been children or teenagers, whatever, who see fit to go shooting off fireworks in Asda, KFC, so supermarket and fast food chain. I'm thinking it's funny. Apparently one of the fireworks even nearly hit a young woman's pram. Now, do you think that's really funny? Because I don't. I really don't think that's funny. You nearly hitting a young woman's pram, I assume with the baby in the pram. Do you think that's funny? Because I don't. I mean, I don't mind to put my face out there to say it. At the end of the day, that is just fucking stupidity behaviour. I don't mean to turn this into a negative video, but however, that was very fucking dangerous and very stupid. Apparently, the police caught a lot of them, but not all of them. So, hopefully, what they'll do is they'll get the rest of the gang as well. But it's always going to be fucking knobs everywhere. What can I say? There's always going to be fucking some sort of dickhead who thinks it's funny or thinks it's clever when they ain't. They're dickheads. If any of these people are watching this video, yeah, you are dickheads. Deal with it. Just can't be dealing with fucking people who think they're so fucking clever when they ain't. Why would you do that? However, when we went trick-or-treating, around London. Well, it wasn't around London, it was around North London. No problem. Yeah, no problem. So, yeah. How was, did you get a lot of people knock on your doors, guys? I must admit, past 3, 4 times, because obviously this first time I went trick or treating with Carol and her son. Like the previous years, where we live in blocks of flats and stuff, we don't get a lot of trick or treats. I suppose because they think, oh, too much aggravation. We just want to knock on the doors of people who actually have houses, not like who have flats. However, my neighbour down below me, who I've mentioned quite a lot of times, Noisy United, had pumpkins on her balcony, so she might have had a knock on the door. Because I heard that was how it goes, right? If you've got like pumpkins on the door and stuff, that is meant to encourage trick or treaters, right? Well, we don't have anything like that. I don't want to have anything like that, if I'm honest. I see in this economy and the way things are going, money's really, 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 really tight. No, it's not a good idea anyway. But if they can afford it, that's fine. But they want to give candy away for nothing, down to them. I think there was something else I was going to say. I forget what it was. I forget now. I can't remember. Don't forget to support Big Bear ASMR, because I found out, right, ever since my announcement, he's only got 2 subs. If you don't want to watch the stuff, please sub, but don't push the bell icon. That way, he's happy because you're getting the subs. You're happy because you're not getting the bell icon. You're not getting these videos constantly. Yeah, really need to push Big Bear ASMR's video channel. Really, really big time. So please subscribe. But if you don't want to see the content, don't click the bell icon. But please subscribe. Please, please do it for me, please. Also, something else. Sure, there was something else. Sorry, guys, I have a brain like a sieve and I can't remember. No, I don't think there is anything, really. No. I don't think there is a. I don't think I'm saying to you guys, I'm trying to think of something, and you're all hoping, oh yeah, come on in, Jay says, what is it? And I'm like, oh, actually, I don't think there's anything. Sorry to let you guys down. No. Ain't nothing. Oh, um, one little thing that I will remember. I'll tell you now why I remember it. Do you remember I did a PlayStation 2 game haul, so to speak? I will be doing a PS1 haul. Because all my SNES games have moved currently for the moment, momentarily, to Carol's, I will do one for the SNES as well. So Super Nintendo ones, PS ones I've already got here, so I can do them relatively soon. But the SNES games I will have to wait till next week. I will try and get that done. Also, I'm not getting a lot of views for the goal line, my football program I do every week. So don't forget to tell your friends, tell your friends and family who follow English football and even Scottish football. If they want me to talk about Scottish football, I have no problem talking about Scottish football. But please tell all your friends and family to look out for the goal line every single Saturday between 8 and 9 on a Saturday. On here, it'll either be pre-recorded or it'll be live through Prism. Yeah, tell everyone to tune into my channel Saturday night for the goal line. Honestly, anything that anyone wants to talk about, any issues that you guys want to talk about and you want me to discuss with you, or you want to get a rant across about a certain player, a certain team, just hit me up in the comments. Let me know so that for the following show I can address it. Or if it is a live broadcast, send me a letter, send me a comment in the live section, and we can talk about it. I don't mind, because I love football. You guys love football. Just hit me up in the comments and let me know. Yeah, and then we'll get the party started. Okay, guys, I'm gonna leave it there anyway because it's 13 minutes long now, so I'm gonna go. But as always, thank you for watching. I appreciate your company as always. Remember to look after yourselves, respect each other, and I'll see you soon with a brand new video. Till then, ciao for now.